Namaste, I am Shanta N. Murthy. I welcome you to my new video. Today I am going to explain Varnocharanam of Sanskrit letters. In Sanskrit language, the classification of letters is very scientific. The classification is based on the sound that is generated from different parts of the vocal system and the efforts made for pronunciation. Look at this picture. This shows that there are basically 5 places of pronunciation in Sanskrit language. The first one is guttural, that is throat, which is known as kanta in Sanskrit. The second one is palatal, that is talu, where the back of the tongue touches the palate or the roof of the mouth. The next one is cerebrals or murdha. Here the tongue touches the center of the palate. The fourth one is danta, where the 2 rows of the teeth come together. The last one is labials or ostov, when the lips come together. Most of the Sanskrit letters will fall within these regions. There is a systematic way in which these letters are organized. Let me take the Varnocharanam starting from the Vyanjanas, that too from the Vargiya Vyanjanas. The idea behind this is to make you understand the concept in a better way. Let me first take Kavarga. K, K, G, G, Nga. All these 5 letters start from the throat, that is kanta, and they are called kantya or gutturals. Do they really start from throat? You may get this doubt in your mind. So to test it, keep your fingers on the throat. You will feel the vibration. The next group is Chavarga. Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Nga. Here, the middle portion of the tongue touches the palate, that is the back portion of the roof of the mouth, and that is talu. So they are called talavya varnas or palatal. Let us move on to the next one, that is tavarga. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Where do they come from? You may wonder. Actually, the tongue curls back and touches the front portion of the roof of the mouth. This place is called murdha or cerebrum, so they are called murdhanya or cerebrals. Which one is the next group? That is tavarga. They are ta, tha, da, dha, na. Could you understand from where it starts? They start from the teeth or the roof of the teeth, and so they are called dantya or dentals. Which one is the last set? That is pavarga. Pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. Isn't it easy to find out from where they start? Yes. The pronunciation of these letters happens with the help of lips, and they are called ostia or labials. The last letter of each varga, that is nga, nya, na, na, ma, are called nasikya nasals. Along with the respective places, the nose is also involved. We understood about the place of origin of Vargiya Vyanjanas, right? Next, let us move on to our Giya Vyanjanas. They are Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. Ya and Sha are pronounced like Chavarga letters, so they are Talavya. The letters Ra and Sha belong to the group of Murdanya like Tavarga letters. La and Sa are Dantya Varnas like Tavarga letters. To pronounce the letter V, we use both Danta and Oshta, so it is called Dantoshtya. The last letter, that is Ha, starts from Kanta, so it is called Kantya Varna. Now, the remaining set of letters are vowels and Ayoga Vaha. Let me pronounce A, A. From where do they start? They start from Kanta like Kavarga letters. I, E. Do you know where they start from? They start from Talu like Chavarga, so they are Taluvya Varnas. U, U. They start from Oshtav like Pavarga, isn't it? So they are Oshtya Varnas. R, R. They start from Murda like Tavarga, so they are Murdanya Varnas. A and I, these two need both the Kanta and Talu to pronounce, so they are called Kanta Talu or Kanta Talavya Varnas. O and Au, they need the help of Kanta and Oshtya, so they are called Kantostya. Now let us come to Ayoga Vahas. Is Anuswara, Aha is Visarga. The nose is the place of Anuswara and it is called nasal or Nasikya Varna. Kanta or throat is the place from where Visarga is pronounced, so it is called Kanta Varna. Let us now see this table. So far we studied the Vargiya Vyanjanas, Avargiya Vyanjanas, Swaras and Ayoga Vahas separately. Now let us study them together. The first column is Utpatti Sthanam. The second column is Swaras. The third column is Vargiya Vyanjanas. The fourth one is Avargiya Vyanjanas. And the next one is Ayoga Vaha. And the last one is to show how they are identified like Kantya Varnas, Talavya Varnas, etc. Let me read this. From Kanta, A, Ku, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga, Ha and Visarga start, so they are called Kantya Varna. Talu, I, Chu, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Nya, Ya, Sha, they start from Talu, so they are called Talavya. Murda, R, R, Tu, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, Ra, Sha, they start from Murdha, so they are called Murdhanya Varnas. Dantaha, Ru, Tu, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na, La, Sa, start from Dantas, so they are called Dantya Varnas. Oshtav. U, U, Pu, Pa, Pa, Ba, Bha, Ma, they are called Oshtya Varnas. Nasika. The letters that start from Nasika are Nga, Jna, Ta, Na, Ma and Anuswara, that is They are called Nasikya Varnas. From Kanta Talu, A, I, they start from Kanta and Talu, so they are called Kanta Talavya Varnas. Kantoshtav, O and Au, they start from Kanta and Oshtav, so they are called Kantostya. Va, to pronounce Va, we need Danta and Oshtya, so it is called Dantoshtya. Have you noticed one letter in the beginning of these Vargiya Vyanjanas? Ku, Chu, Tu, Tu, Pu. Do you know what are they? In Sanskrit, they are the short forms of Kavarga, Chavarga, Tavarga, Tavarga and Pavarga respectively. Ku stands for Kavarga, Chu stands for Chavarga, Tu stands for Tavarga and so on. We have come to the end of this table. Thank you very much. If you like this video, share it with others. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you once again.